So we're going to change the master code. In order to do this, I'm going to push 1, 2, 3, 4, which is our current master, number 8 for code, 0, 2 for the user, and then my new number 2 times. So I've now changed my master code to 4321 from 1234. Again, master code first, 4321, 8, 0, 2 for the user, and then your new number 2 times in a row. That's how you change your master code. Thank you for watching the video. Please click the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you need to know how to do anything in particular, please leave them in a comment or send me a message. I will try to help you out the best I can.